Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into Quadency support video series where we're diving deep into all the different functionalities and bots that we use on the Quadency dashboard. We do this in order to help you better understand the dashboard and become an expert trader using our bots. So today's bot that we'll be diving into is the Bollinger Bands. This bot uses the famous Bollinger Bands, which is a technical indicator, and the strategy is based on this indicator, and it buys when the price is below the lower band and sells whenever the price defined exit condition is met, so to say. But before we get into that, please make sure that you have a Quadency account set up on quadency.com and then linking your different exchanges to the Quadency dashboard, and from there you're going to be able to dive into your exchanges and operate them through the Quadency dashboard. What's also important is that you have USDC or Quad within your Quadency account, and this will be used to operate the bots. We do take a small fee using these deposited funds, and you can simply do that by clicking on deposited funds. Now, onto the nitty-gritty of the details of the bot. So the Bollinger Bands, in order to find that bot, you're going to click on bots and you're going to select available bots. You're going to scroll down to your technical indicator strategies and you're going to click on Bollinger Bands. Now, once you're on your Bollinger Bands bot, you're going to give it a nice name, and we're just going to do BTC Bollinger Bands. Now that you have it named, you're going to select the exchange that you wish to use. For this tutorial, we're using Kraken, and then you're going to select the account. I have a Kraken account linked to the Quadency. Then you're going to select the market, and we're doing BTC to USDT. Then you're going to select the starting capital. So this is how much you wish to invest at this time. We're going to be doing something small of 20 USDT. Now that we have that entered, we're going to scroll down to the strategy settings. So you have your candle time frame. This is very important because the rest of the strategy relies on what you do here. So your candle time frame is the time frame that the bot operates on. So if you have something such as 1 minute, the bot's going to probably be pretty fast and be trading very in the present moment. Whereas if you were to do something on the hourly, it may take a while for a move to be executed. This is of course not any form of financial advice. Please do your research in order to better understand your most comfortable trading strategy. For the sake of this video, we're going to be selecting the 5 minutes, and then you're going to select your moving average period. So the moving average period is the amount of candle time frame segments that will be used for predicting the rest of the use of this bot. Then you're going to have your band standard deviation, and your band standard deviation multiplier is for the upper and lower bands, and adjusting this will make the bands wider or narrow. So the smaller the number, the narrower it is, the larger the number, the wider it is. Since we want to move on something smaller and on the 5 minute frame, we'll do something such as 3. Now, for your exit condition, this is very important because there's two different ways. You can either do the first option, which is your profit target or stop loss, and whenever that is reached, your positions get exited. So you can have your profit target based upon the percentages here. Let's do something such as 10%, and your stop loss can also be set, and we'll do something such as 10% as well. Or you can just simply do indicator confirmation. So soon as it's been confirmed, and the position should only be closed when the price crosses above that upper band. So that's is also possible. So long story short, if you want to trade within the range, recommend doing this. If not, do that. And again, this isn't financial advice, just for you to better understand how this bot works. So we're just going to do indicator confirmation. Now that we have all these parameters set in, we're going to hit start live, and you're going to see here the confirm live settings and the fee assets. The fee assets that we'll be using here is a USDC. So we're going to hit start live mode, and the bot should be running. You can confirm that it's running by seeing right here the little green light that it's running and live, and then your dashboard should be up to date, and we'll be showing the Bollinger Bands shortly. You can see right here the variables that have been set in, and you can see right now we're at the upper part, so we got to wait until there's a drop. So if we would have backtracked, the bot would have purchased here, and since we did band confirmation, soon as it reached here, it would have sold here, and that would have been the play. Anyways, I hope this video helped you better understand how this bot works, as well as how to use this bot. Please visit support.quadency.com in order to learn more about these bots and check out our entire catalog of functionalities of our website, of our dashboard. And yeah, thank you for tuning in, and happy trading, and thank you for being part of the Quad Squad.